Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So today in this video we will learn how we can export the Salesforce data using the Workbench. So Workbench in Salesforce is a web-based tool that can be used for data management activities. So first I will show you how you can log into Workbench and perform the data export. So to open the Workbench you have to search workbench.developerforce.com and I will also mention this link in the description. So this is the setup of Salesforce Workbench. So here in the Workbench environment, you will have two options that either you can select production or sandbox. So here I will select production and it will show the API version that Workbench is using as of now. So this one is 62.0 and here you have to select the checkbox. I agree to the terms of service and now we will log in with our Salesforce account. So here in this window, you have to select the option on which you want to perform the action. So in this example, we are going to perform the data export operation. But when you go to this data tab in the workbench, you will see the option insert, update, upsert, delete, undelete and purge. But there is a no option for data export. So how we will do that? We will do that using the SQL query. And after running the SQL query, it will generate the records and then we are going to export those records in a CSV file. So this is what we are going to do. And before that, I will just take few seconds to introduce our newly launched Salesforce admin course. So first, let me show you the course content, then we will continue to the topic. So this is our newly launched the Salesforce admin course, and I will also mention the course link in the description from where you can access and view the course. So we have designed this course specifically for the beginners and the people who want to learn the admin part. So in this course, you are going to get more than 50 hours of video content, including PDFs and solution. And for this course, we have covered every module in depth. You can see these are the modules that we have covered in this course, that is Introduction to Salesforce, Salesforce Navigation and Setup. So in the modules, you can see the table of content so that you will have an idea what are the topics that we have covered in this admin course. And we have covered this course in 10 modules. So it will take you around 2 to 3 months to complete this whole course. And when it comes to the pricing, we have kept it $199 for the lifetime access. So once you purchase this course, you are going to get lifetime access for this course. So this was all about the course, and now let's move back to the topic. So here we will move forward to perform the data export. So here I'm going to select SQL query and here we will select account object and here click on select button. So here we have selected the account object and here you have to select view as bulk CSV and in the fields you have to select those fields that you want to export in the CSV file. So for that you have to press the control button and then with the help of left click you can select the fields that you want to export. And if you are performing the data update operation, so for that also we need to export the data. So in that case don't forget to add the ID field and after this I will also add the industry and the name of account. So the field that you will select will appear in the SQL query over here. And after selecting the fields of the object that you want to export, you can also sort the result and apply filters. So for example, I want to sort the accounts with the account number. So that will be added over here. And in the max record, you can define how many records you want to export. So if I write 10 over here, it will add the limit 10 over here, like how we used to do in the SQL queries. And from the section filter results by, you can also add the filter criteria to the SQL query. So for example, here I'm going to apply the filter on the account type, that is when account type equals to technology partner. So as you can see, when we applied this filter, it is appearing over here in the SQL query with the where clause, that where type equals to technology partner. And here you can also add more filters with this plus sign. So in this example, I am going to apply this only one filter. And after selecting the field and applying filters, you have to simply click on the query button. So here you can see the data is processed and according to applied SQL query, we have got 10 records. And to view the exported data, you have to click on this icon. And so here you will see download complete batch results. So as you click on it, the download will start. So this is the data export file that we will get after downloading. So as I open this file, it will show me all the records. These are the records that we got after applying the SQL query. So this is how you can perform the data export operation in Salesforce using Workbench. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.